Hey guys, Fix Alex here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove cluster on this 2023 Toyota Sienna. And the only tools that you're going to need is Phillips head screwdriver. So, step number one, you gotta pull those panels out. Just stick your finger in and gently pull this. As you can see, it's already come out. There is just two clips, so just pull those two panels out. Now you can pull the top panel out. By the way, remove your negative wire just in case. I don't want you to mess it up your cluster. So remove negative wire. Now you gotta remove this cover. As you can see, there is just couple clips. And now using your flathead Phillips head screwdriver. It's so dark, but there is one screws inside here. There is another screws on top over here, and another screws here. You gotta remove 3 screws, and then you're gonna be able to pull your cluster out just like that. Pull it out. As you can see, my fall apart already. It was like that, it's not me. So there is 2 connectors, electrical connectors. I'm gonna show you in a second. Push it and remove the connector, and that's it. You're gonna be able to remove your cluster. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment what else should I record next about this car, and subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you and bye.